Hello there, fellow explorers of the extraordinary. Today we embark on a fascinating journey into the heart of glassmaking. Glass. Think about it. It's everywhere, isn't it? It's in our windows, allowing us to peek into the world outside while staying cozy inside. It's in our homes, holding our beverages, our food, even our thoughts as we gaze at our reflections. It's a material so ubiquitous, so ingrained in our lives, that we often take its existence for granted. But what is glass, really? Where does it come from, and how does it transform from simple grains of sand into the dazzling array of objects we see around us? Well, my friends, get ready to be amazed. Because today, we're going behind the scenes to uncover the magic of glassmaking. Join me as we delve into the mesmerizing world of molten materials, fiery furnaces, and the alchemical processes that give birth to this versatile and wondrous material. Prepare to be dazzled, my friends, as we journey into the heart of glassmaking. Our journey begins with the most unassuming of ingredients: sand. Yes, you heard that right. The very same sand you find on beaches, in deserts, and, well, sometimes in your shoes after a day at the beach. This humble material, composed primarily of silica, forms the very foundation of our shimmering glass creations. But how does one go from gritty sand to smooth, transparent glass? The answer, my friends, lies in heat. Intense, fiery heat. Imagine, if you will, a giant cauldron, a furnace so hot it could melt the cynicism of 1,000 internet trolls. This is where the magic happens. As the sand tumbles into this inferno, it undergoes a remarkable transformation. The heat, reaching a staggering 1,700 degrees Celsius, that's over 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit, breaks down the bonds holding the silica particles together. The sand, no longer content with its granular existence, begins to melt and flow, transforming into a glowing, molten liquid. It's a mesmerizing spectacle, a dance of fire and earth, a testament to the transformative power of heat. Now, while sand is the star of our show, it doesn't work alone. Just like any good production, glassmaking requires a talented supporting cast. Enter soda ash and limestone, two key ingredients that play crucial roles in shaping the final product. Soda ash, also known as sodium carbonate, is added to the molten sand to lower its melting point. Think of it as the peacemaker, the diplomat of the group, smoothing things over and making the whole process a bit less, shall we say, heated. Without soda ash, we'd need even higher temperatures to melt the sand, making glass production a much more energy-intensive endeavor. Limestone, on the other hand, brings durability to the party. Once the molten mixture cools, limestone helps to ensure that our glass creation doesn't dissolve upon contact with water. Can you imagine a world where drinking glasses dissolved into a puddle of goo with every sip? Thanks to limestone, we can enjoy our beverages without fear of such a soggy demise. Section 3. Shaping the Molten Marvel. A symphony of techniques. With our molten glass mixture now at the perfect consistency, it's time to get creative. The next stage in our glassmaking adventure involves shaping this glowing liquid into the dazzling array of forms we see all around us. One of the most ancient and mesmerizing techniques is glass blowing. Picture this. A skilled artisan gathers a blob of molten glass on the end of a long, hollow pipe. With a puff of air, the glass expands outward, forming a bubble. The artisan then shapes the bubble by blowing, rotating, and manipulating the glass with various tools. It's a delicate dance, an interplay between human ingenuity and the fluidity of the molten material. But glass blowing is just one technique in the glassmaker's repertoire. Molding, another popular method, involves pouring molten glass into pre-made molds. This technique allows for the creation of more uniform shapes, perfect for items like bottles, jars, and even those charming little figurines you find in souvenir shops. Section 4. From liquid fire to solid splendor, the cooling process. Our glass creation, now beautifully shaped, is still a delicate thing. If cooled too quickly, it could crack or shatter, all our hard work going up in a puff of fragmented glass. That's where the crucial step of annealing comes in. Annealing involves carefully controlling the cooling process to relieve internal stresses within the glass. It's like giving the glass a relaxing spa day after its fiery ordeal. The newly formed glass is placed in a special oven called a layer, where the temperature is gradually reduced over several hours. This slow cooling allows the molecules within the glass to arrange themselves in a more stable configuration, resulting in a stronger, more durable final product. And there you have it. Our journey from humble sand to shimmering glass is complete. But the adventure doesn't end there. Glass, my friends, is a material of endless possibilities. It can be colored, textured, and shaped into a dazzling array of objects, from delicate ornaments to towering skyscrapers. It can be found in our homes, our cars, our hospitals, even in the very devices we use to communicate with each other. So the next time you encounter a piece of glass, take a moment to appreciate the journey it took to get there. It's a testament to human ingenuity, a fusion of art and science, and a shining example of the wonders that can be achieved when we dare to transform the ordinary into the extraordinary.